Hey, Ziggy, look right out here, right up the, look at this.
Look at that.
Just drop a net over the side. Look at this. Yeah.
Look at that.
Just jump in with your knife in your mouth.
I'm going to start just throwing a treble on here in a minute. There you go.
Oh, come on.
Come on, fish. Look at that. Come on. Killing me.
I don't know. You want to kick it in and throw the buzz bombs on?
That's all I can. I don't know. I mean, I'm stumped. Unbelievable.
Oh man, they're 100 yards ahead of us too, just jumping, giving her shit.